So how do you achieve that fluency? There's a set of small steps you can take that will accelerate your speaking fluency. First, what you need to do is choose a 1-minute video, preferably TED, because they have very accurate transcripts that at a certain point you will have to use to read out loud. So first you choose your video. Then what you need to do is to listen to it once at high speed. That will get you 100% focused. Second time round, you listen to it at normal speed without subtitles. Then you listen again and you read the script while you are listening. After you listen at high speed, at normal speed, and with subtitles, what you need to do is listen, pause the video, repeat out loud. Listen, pause, repeat out loud. Once you get that practice of out loud repetition done, what you do is read the script out loud. You need to group words within a sentence. You need to link sounds, link words within each group, and emphasize the key words. Then sum up the clip in your own words, if possible using a new expression, out loud. It's all about out loud repetition. Enjoy the process and make English part of your routine.